Hello everyone! In this video from Device Doctor, we're checking out the Epson EcoTank L8180, one of the best A3 photo printers.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
At the front, there's a 10.9cm touchscreen display for easy navigation, a convenient ink tank system for quick refilling, a versatile paper tray, and USB and memory card slots for direct printing. The sides of the printer have a sleek and seamless design, enhancing its modern look while saving space. The dimensions of the Epson EcoTank L8180 printer are 52.3 centimeters in width, 37.9 centimeters in depth, and 16.9 centimeters in height. Its weight is approximately 11.1 kilograms. At the back of the Epson EcoTank L8180, you'll find the main power input and connectivity ports, including a USB port and an Ethernet port for wired networking. There's also a rear paper feed slot, ideal for printing on specialty media like thick photo paper. Additionally, the back panel provides access for maintenance and clearing paper jams when needed. This printer has two paper trays. Tray 1 is designed for smaller paper sizes like A4, A5, and photo paper, holding up to 100 plain sheets or 20 photo sheets. Tray 2, rear tray, supports larger formats, including A3 size paper with a capacity of up to 50 plain sheets or one thick cardstock sheet. Both trays ensure smooth and efficient paper handling, making it easy to switch between different print tasks. This printer has a flatbed CIS scanner with a 1200 by 4800 dpi resolution. It supports A4 size scanning, 21.6 by 29.7 centimeters, and can handle photos, documents, and even thicker materials. The Epson EcoTank L8180 offers high-speed printing with plain A4 paper at up to 16 images per minute, IPM in black, and 12 IPM in color. For photo printing, a borderless 10 by 15 centimeters, 4 by 6 inches photo takes approximately 25 seconds. It uses Epson Claria ET Premium ink, ensuring vibrant colors and long-lasting prints. On photo paper, colors can last up to 300 years when stored properly in an album, providing excellent durability and fade resistance. The Epson EcoTank L8180 is a multifunction printer that offers high-quality printing, scanning, and copying. With its integrated ink tank system, it significantly reduces printing costs and is ideal for borderless photo printing up to A3+ size. Supports Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi Direct, Ethernet, and direct printing from memory cards and USB. Who is it for? This printer is perfect for photography enthusiasts, graphic artists, and professional studios looking for high-quality photo and document printing up to A3+ size. With its low-cost printing and user-friendly operation, it is also a great choice for families and offices that need versatile and high-quality printing. For more details, visit the official Epson website.